Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I am going to share with you a super cute fun fold card featuring the With You in Mind stamp set and the Fruit Salad Designer Series paper. Now this is paper that you can get for free with a $60 purchase in my online store. And that offer is good through the end of February. It's one of the choices for celebration. And we're going to make a really cute fun fold, which shows off both sides of the Designer Series paper, which I just love showing off both sides. So let me show you what we're going to do. I've got all my cardstock pieces, and I've cut my piece to be 5 inches by 6 inches. And I'm going to score this at, I'm just checking that this is 5. Yeah, it sure is. I'm going to score this at 3 3/4. So when I fold this, it's 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And that is going to give me a great view of both paper patterns, both sides of the paper on my card. I'm also going to take a 3 by 6 inch piece of Daffodil Delight cardstock, and I'm going to score that at 3 inches in half. Okay, now to put this together, let's give each of these a good crease with my bone folder. And then what I'm going to do is adhere them to a couple of panels. We've got a panel of 4 by 5 1/4 Coastal Cabana, which of course, as you know, is the color that lets us know God loves us. And we're going to put that down like this. And then we'll adhere that to a 1/4 sheet of cardstock, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches of Daffodil Delight, like this. Now to form our card, I will take my folded panel here, and I'm going to adhere this, kind of slip it between the 2 layers and center that up. And then that is going to create the fun opening for our card. Okay, so it'll open like this. Okay, now let's decorate this up. But actually, before I do that, I want to show you something really fun about this Designer Series paper. It is so fun. Each pattern in this packet is going to work with a card just like this. So you could make this in all kinds of colors. So on one side, we've got this fun pattern. On the other side, we've got pomegranates. This one is one of my favorites. Actually, if you order in my online store and spend at least $50, you can get a free card kit featuring this stamp set and this Designer Series paper. And this is one of the cards we made. How cute is that? That's also kind of a fun fold. Anyway, it features this Designer Series paper pattern. Here we've got pineapple slices on one side and pineapples on the other, which is just so fun. My favorite is this kiwi with a little green pattern on one side. We've got bananas with a yellow pattern on the other side. We've got a red pattern with apples on the other side. This fun green pattern and cantaloupe on the other side. Orange slices and oranges. And finally, we've got a fun yellow pattern with pears on the other side. Now I'm going to take that yellow pattern and incorporate that into my card. So I've got a 2 3/4 inch square, and we'll go ahead and adhere that on top of our Daffodil Delight pattern. So just a reminder, you can get a free card kit when you spend $50. When you spend $60, you can get a free celebration item. That's from Stampin' Up. The card kit's from me. And when you spend $75, you can also get an embellishment, which we're going to use here in just a moment. Now I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on 2 pieces. I've got a 2 3/4 inch square, which will go on the inside of my card. And then I've got this stylish shape circle, which I die cut from some basic white cardstock. And we're going to stamp our sentiment on the outside. So I'm going to use thank you. You could also do best wishes. And I'll just stamp that in Coastal Cabana right on there like that. And then we'll pop that up onto our card. Now, what's really fun about this Designer Series paper is you can take little elements from the DSP and incorporate it into your cards. So for instance, on my card here, I wanted to incorporate one of these adorable little strawberries that you can see. So I'm just going to take one of my pieces of DSP and kind of cut out a single strawberry. There's several of them on this pattern. And strawberries are like one of my very favorite fruits. Oh my goodness, love them. I can't wait. Strawberry season is almost upon us. In the Midwest, we are a little low on berries being in season right now. So I'm excited for strawberries to come back because they're so good. And I'm just gonna fussy cut this. Whenever I fussy cut anything, I like to hold my snips in one position and then move my designer series paper around. And that gives me the best ability to kind of cut with a nice little border around my image. And that border will kind of hide any mistakes that I make in my cutting if it's not completely perfect. No one will know because we've got that little border. Okay, and look at how cute that is. All right, so let's take and add that right there to my card. And I'll do that with a couple of glue dots. Mini glue dots are the best. They just work so nicely to adhere things to your cards, just like that. And while this is adorable, I think it still needs a little bit of fun added to it. So I'm gonna start, I'm just giving this a good crease to kind of help it lay a little bit more flat. I'm gonna start with a bow. We've got this great 1/8 inch Daffodil Delight ribbon. This is such cute ribbon. So we'll tie a little bow to add to our card because it's just a nice little touch. I always like adding ribbon or baker's twine to my cards. I think that just finishes them off so nicely. So we'll add this, and then let me try tying that once more. Kind of got things twisted a little bit. Okay. Oh, so cute. I love this ribbon. I gotta get my ribbon scissors out. I actually have a dedicated ribbon scissors. You can tell because it's got ribbon on it. That I only use on ribbon, and so they stay sharp. Okay, we'll attach that with a mini glue dot. Again, it's like the best. And I'm gonna throw that bow right here on my card. So cute. And then I've got some of these tinsel gems. This is the tinsel gem 4-pack. This is just like a little slice off of the whole package, but the whole pack looks like that. You can get this free when your order hits $75 now through Sunday, February 16th. So I'll just take a couple of these pink ones and add them to my card because they're just so cute. And then we'll throw one more up here like that. Oh, so fun. All right, now I wanted to add a little something to the inside of my card. So I've got that 2 3/4 inch square, and I want to maybe add a little heart. So I've got some Daffodil Delight ribbon, and I think that kind of is the perfect thing to add to a thank you. Just this cute little heart in the corner here to just add a little fun touch, and then we'll adhere that to the inside. Now, if you would like to see all of the supplies that I used in this project, you can check out my blog post, or I have most of them linked in this video description so that you can shop my online store for all these supplies, because I really, really appreciate your business. It helps me continue to bring awesome videos just like this one to you each week. So look at how cute that is. Oh, I just love this. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, but if you could do me a favor, give me the thumbs up on this video. That helps me so much with YouTube. And if you haven't already, make sure and subscribe to my channel. There should be a little button right here in the corner. And then you will be aware of all the awesome content that I put out each week. All right, friends, I will see you again right back here on Monday for my usual Monday Live at 5 p.m. Central. Otherwise, thanks so much for stamping with me today. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.